అందరికీ నమస్కారం. టుడే we are discuss about fundamental rights the Indian Constitution, the part of the 3, the 12 to Article 12 to 35. So the the part of 3 and the information of fundamental rights. So fundamental rights have 6. The first one is the right to equality. The second one is the right to freedom. So third one is the right against exploitation. Next one, right to freedom of religion. Next one, culture and the educational rights. Last one, right to constitutional remedies. So right to equality, right to freedom, right to against exploitation, right to freedom of the religion, culture and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. So fundamental rights. About the articles. So article right to equality 14 to 18. So this is explained to the 14 to 18 the articles. The 14 article, equality before law. So article 14 say equality before law. The 15 article, prohibition of the discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste and sex or place of birth. The 15th article. The 17th article, abolition of the untouchability. The 18th article, abolition of the titles. So Bharat Ratna, some of the titles. So right to equality, to say the article 14 to 18. The 14 article, equality before law. 15 article, prohibition of the discrimination on ground of the religion, race and caste, sex or place of birth. Or 7th article, abolition of the untouchability. 18th, abolition of the titles. So next to the fundamental right to freedom. These are for right to freedom, the 19 to 22. The 19th article, the protection of the certain the right regarding freedom of the speech, so etc. So these are included of the 6 the freedoms here. The 20th article say the protection in the respect of the convention for the offense. The 21 is the protection of life and personal liberty. 21A, the right to education. 22, the protection against the arrest and the detention in the certain cases. So these are the right to freedom. Next one, next to fundamental right to against and the exploitation. These article 22 to 23 to 24. The 23, the prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. The 24th, prohibition of the 24th article say the prohibition of employment of the children in factories. So next one, the right to freedom of religion in the article 25 to 28. So 25, freedom, the conscience and free profession and the practice and the propagations of the religion. The 26th, the freedom to manage the religious affairs. The 27th, the freedom as to the payment of taxes for the promotion of any particularly religion. 28th, the freedom has to the attendance to the religious, the instructions of our religious worship in the certain the educational institution. The culture and next one, culture and educational rights. This is a fundamental right. The 29th, so these articles say 29 to 30, of interest the minorities. 30, right of minorities to the established and the administer and educational institutions. So these are fundamental rights and right to equality, right to freedom, right to against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, the cultural and educational rights, the right to constitutional remedies. So thank you everyone.